What's up, party people? Welcome to TonyaNicole Show. Girl, I am so whack. Hello, my loves. What's up? Welcome back. I'm your hostess, the rapper boo, TonyaNicole. How y'all doing? Oh, girl, I'm gonna stop. Girl, I'm doing good. I'm feeling good today. Today we have the box by Fashionsta. This is February's box, and we're in March. So I'm gonna need Fashionsta to get their little shipping together because I'm getting my other boxes in on time, and they take my payment out on the 1st. So I'm gonna need them to come on and ship them boxes out, baby, because I need my box in that month. Yes. Today we have the box, and yes, I did not even open this baby up. I just received it out of the post office, a day ago, I think. I don't know when this film is going to go out, but I'm recording this on March 3rd, so I'm not sure when I'm going to put this out. But yes, guys, if you want to see what's in the box for February, stay right there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your girl. Before we go any further, I want to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. We have a drink today, and it is a little red wine. We're going to take a dance break and a drink break. The box by Fashionsta is a beauty subscription. This one is $24.99 each month plus free shipping. You are supposed to receive 5 to 7 full-size products. It's supposed to have a value in between $100 and $150. I do have a link down below, my loves, if you want to check this box out. It won't get you no money off, but it'll get you to the website. So, yeah, that's the best I could do, y'all. So, without further ado, let's get this box on and popping. Boo. That's what she's looking like on the inside right there. We get a card each month, and it says the box. This month we celebrate self-care and love right there. And on the back we get a list of products and prices. Y'all know I'm gonna put them down below. So let's just see what's up with this box, right? The first thing I'm pulling out is from Bellapierre Cosmetics, and this is the HD Finishing Powder in Translucent. That is what it's looking like, guys. I'm gonna take the lid off so we can see. Oh, it got a little powdered puff in there. And that's the powder. Very, very, very white. I do like a translucent powder, but the powders that I use have like a beige type of tint to it, not like pure white like this. So I don't think your girl gonna be using this because this definitely probably will leave like a cast underneath my eyes, and oh girl, that's not a good look. But this is a finishing powder. Let me find it on here. An impossibly smooth mica-based powder that mattifies and sets makeup in place, providing a silky, shine-free finish. It's ideal for using with the baking technique, which I don't think anybody bakes anymore. This is cruelty-free, and it retails, oh girl, $35. I think like Laura Mercier is like, what, $38 for the big bottle? Oh, and Fenty is $20. Like, okay, $35, y'all. A little pricey for that. Next up, we have from, is it Peace Water? Let's check. Oh, Colion. I don't know how to say this. USA. I'm going to just show you guys the box so that y'all can see it. This is the Aqua Fresh Gel Day Cream. It says, all day lasting moisturizing cream is formulated with a water gel that is filled with oxygen bubbles, 90% marine collagen and vitamin capsules for ultra lasting skin hydration. This right here retails for $22. And let's open this baby up and see what it's talking about. Let's see. All right, when we open her up, okay, let's, oh, okay, so we get like a little spoon thing right here to scoop it out. Girl, look at this. The bottle is gorgeous. This is beautiful. Let me open it up. Oh, it's like a little jelly, guys. It has a safety seal. Oh, it smells like, I don't know what it smells like, but that's what it's looking like on the inside. It's like a little gel. Oh, I like it though. Oh, let's see. I don't know what the scent is, but that's how it looks on my hand. Apply evenly to the face and neck. Massage gently to help penetrate into the skin. This is a Korean product, guys. It's for intense hydration and enhances complexion, and it calms the skin. It's called Peace Water. This is $22.50. Okay, I'm excited about that. I'm excited about that. And then we have from Herbal Dynamics Beauty. This is a Vivid Revital Mango and Green Tea Firming Eye Mask. That's what it's looking like right there. Let's open it up. Okay. And that's what the packaging is looking like, my loves. In here you get, how much you get in here, girl? 15 milliliters of product. It has a little seal on it. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up. Ooh, I don't know what that's, I guess it's like a, I don't know what that smell is, but it's not mango or green tea. I don't really know what I'm getting. That's what it looks like, guys. It is an orange like gel, like a cream. So, okay, it does feel nice though. It feels nice. I just don't, maybe it's a green tea scent. I don't know, but let's read up about this little product right here. So this is the Herbal Dynamics Mango and Green Tea Firming Eye Mask. It reduces the appearance of dark circles and puffiness with green tea and caffeine, as apple and mango extracts soothe and soften. It's vegan and cruelty-free, and it retails for $20. All right, then we have from NocTech Cosmetics, and this is a liquid lip vial. Okay, that's what that is. And we have the shade, I don't know what that says. All right, let me see if it's on here maybe. This is a luxurious velvet matte finish non-drying formula that wears comfortably all day long. This retails for $18. And let's see what it is. So it's a lip vial, a liquid lip vial. Oh, okay, cool. This is how it looks when we take it out. I love it. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. Let's turn it. Oh, it smells like cookies again. Oh, I love that cookie smell. And let's put it, oh, there we go. Right there. That's the color. I'm going to add a little bit. It feels really nice and soft and matte. Love it. How'd that look, y'all? All right, y'all, $18. Next up, we have something that's bubble wrapped. Let's see if we can open this baby up. All right, so next up is from Measurable Difference. This is a hyaluronic acid that repairs dryness, provides deep hydration to the skin, and promotes a natural skin glow. You get 30 milliliters of product right here, my loves. And let's see what this is all about. So it says here that this can hold up to 1,000 times its weight and moisture, making it an ideal ingredient for deep hydration of the skin to get a natural skin glow. This retails for $15, guys. And let's see what it smells like. No smell. It does have like a little dropper, and it looks like a serum. Okay, cool. So I like hyaluronic acid. Y'all know that. You can always use this for a number of things. I like to use it on my neck because y'all know we don't want no turkey neck, boo. So $15. And then our last product is from Real Her, and this is the Dreams So Big Eyeshadow Palette. All right, let's open this up and see what it is looking like. Okay, so when we open it up, this is what she is looking like. A nice black matte packaging. I love it. Oh, baby, we got a mirror. Hey, boo. And, oh, it's nice, like little springtimey palette. It has a lot of like pinks and mauves and this peachy shade down here. This is a gorgeous palette to wear for spring. I love the colors. It's not a lot of variety because a lot of the colors do look the same, but at least you can get a nice little springtime look. With this, you have some matte shades and some shimmers. I'm not going to swatch this, guys, because I'm going to put this in a future giveaway, but I think the palette is very, very pretty, and this retails for $28. Ooh, $28. All right, guys, that was our final product in this and last month's The Box by Fashionsta. We're going to quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're going to be done. So we received from Bellapierre this finishing powder here. From NocTech Cosmetics, this lipstick right here. From Coalion, I don't know, this water gel cream. From Herbal Dynamics Beauty, this eye cream. From Real Her, the Dream So Big palette. And from Measurable Difference, this hyaluronic acid. So these 6 products right here, my loves. And the total for our box this month was $138.50. final thoughts on last month's box. So I do like the fact that they gave us 3 makeup products and 3 skincare products. I do love an even balance. Out of the makeup products, I do love these two. The palette and the lipstick, they go well together. The translucent powder, not really too much. And all the skincare items, I will definitely use, like the water, gel cream, hyaluronic acid, the eye cream. So I thought overall it was a pretty decent box for February. I just wish that the box would do a little better on their shipping. But overall, if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, bring it to another mailing carrier. To 5 being this box is thebomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to give the box a solid 3 for last month's box. I thought it was pretty decent, guys. I just hate their shipping. But other than that, I thought it was okay. I will use each product except this one. So 5 out of 6 is definitely a winner chicken dinner. And that's all that I have for this video, my loves. Don't forget, if you have not done so, please subscribe to our channel. Follow me on both of my Instagram pages. Both of those are linked down below. Give this video a big thumbs up if this is content that you like from your girl. And I will talk to you guys in the comments and on my next video. I love you guys dearly. Bye, loves.